The Mac Studio Pro is built for professional and demand maximum performance in a compact, redefined form. It delivers true desktop class power while taking up remarkably little space on the desk. If you're looking to get one, it's absolutely a must. I do have one at home, and you will never regret it. Like, quality for price, it's the M chips are absolutely amazing. It is powered, as we said, by the M chip, which is Apple Silicon. Mac Studio Pro handles demanding tasks like 8K video editing, 3D rendering, advanced photo workflow, music production, and software development with ease. Multitasking is seamless, apps launch instantly, and heavy project runs smoothly without slowdowns. With support for large amount of unified memory and ultra-fast SSD storage, everything from real-time previews to massive file transfer feels immediate. We do have two USB port on the front, as well as a camera reader. And in the back, we do have, as you see throughout the video, more ports to connect all the screen and hard disk and everything that you have in your workstation. Multiple high-resolution display can be connected at once, making it ideal for complex timelines, colors grading, and data-heavy work. A wide range of professional ports, including Thunderbolt, HDMI, USB-A, USB-C, Ethernet, and an SD card slot, lets you connect all your gear without adapters. Fast wireless connectivity ensures stable performances, whether you're working locally or in the cloud. Despite its power, the Mac Studio Pro stays incredibly quiet thanks to its advanced thermal design, keeping performance consistent even under sustainable loads. Reliable, efficient, and built for serious work, it adapts to any professional environment. The Mac Studio Pro isn't just fast, it's designed to support your entire creative workflow from the first idea to the final export.